Alright, welcome back, people. We have two things to discuss. JFF finding true juice in the Jamaica Tier 2 competition, and also Donovan Ducky being sacked by Umberland FC. So big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. I don't know. Thank you very much again for the support. This is actually a quick video. Because I run out and now, so I do just run a quick video. Big up on yourself. So I touch on the JFF and True Juice issue first of all. As you guys know, the Jamaica Tier 2 hits off back again. Unfortunately, one team was unable to feel a team or feel 11 players on the team, which is True Juice, and because they faced Limal got all 3 points. Now we're gonna read into what happened and hear what all this thing went. Kingston, Jamaica, True Juice FC could be in trouble with the Jamaica Football Federation after they failed to show up for their opening championship Zone A game against Limal Academy on Saturday. The St. Catching Base Club, who were semi-finalists last season, has been fined 50,000 and has been referred to the JFF Disciplinary and Ethics Committee for further action to be taken in accordance with Article 69 of the JFF Disciplinary and Ethics Committee. A release sent out on Monday advised Lima will also be awarded the 3 point the 3 points with a 3-0 margin in on the scoreline. Meanwhile, newcomers Duncan United of Trelawney got off to a fast start, beating St. Bess 4-0 on their opening game played at Lacovia, with Shane Plummer scoring a double to lead the way. Renard Cunningham had given Duncan's United the lead 3 minutes before Plummer scored his first goal. These are some of the aspects. Well, let's move over from that. Zone B, early Zone B and goal difference. Over Mount Pleasant Juniors and Reno. Mount Pleasant Juniors and Reno FC. So Mount Pleasant Juniors and Reno FC, who got wins over Holland, PYC, and Petersfield FC, respectively. The Marcus Smith scored a double for Mount Pleasant Juniors in their 3-1 win. All the goals coming in the second half of the game played at Jackson. Smith completed his brace with a score 2 minutes into the added time in the second half. Reno FC, also semi-finalists last season, got the better of Petersfield 2-1 in a Westmoreland derby played at Landilo Sports Complex. That should be it. In the other Zone B, played on Saturday, Falmouth United came from 2 goals down to earn a 3-3 draw to former champions Treasure Beach FC. What else? Falmouth United real with 2 late goals. Mikhail Samuel scored in the 70th minute and Tavane Carr in the 84th minute earned at the Trelawney team a point. With away points and Limal, the Limal aspect of it. Medforest, with away the awarding points, Limal Academy leads Zone A on goal difference over Medforest, Grace Inn and Baptist Alliance, all on 3 points. Medforest came from a goal down to beat Portlanders FC 2-1 at York Oval. Where else? And Jai Morrison scored the winner in time added on for Grace Inn to beat Spanish Town Police 2-1. Let's see, that should be it. Yeah, that should be all the games. Yeah, that should be games. All right, so let's move now to the other update that I want to give you guys, which is the change of coach in the Jamaica Premier League. Alex Thomas has replaced Donovan Ducky at Umberland. Umberland so far, they are doing horribly. It's not looking good for Umberland. None at all. None at all. Anyways, let's get into it. Former Annette Garden and Mullines United coach Alex Thomas has taken charge of Umberland, replacing Donovan Ducky, who could not turn the struggling club fortune around. Umberland struggles are well documented as coach Andrew Price left in December 2023 before 2 successful schoolboy coaches, Vassar Reynolds and Andrew Pierce, stepped in. That didn't last long and much travel. Ducky made a return at the start of the 2024-2025 season. But with just 2 wins from 19 games, the team sitting at the bottom of the JPL on 14 points, Thomas was asked to alleviate the problem. Thomas, who coached at Guyanese club Singers FC, told the Jamaica Observer that he will conduct his first training session on Monday morning. I am back home and I was approached by a few clubs, but the plan and idea Umberland came with, I like the whole idea. I like the spreadsheet, said Thomas. Although they are in relegation situation, nevertheless, that is what we are built for as coaches, and to execute and make Umberland stay up. So, not bad. Why rough for Humble Lion still? Will they stay up? That's the big question. Will Humble Lion stay in the league? I'm very much unsure. Can Alex Thomas come in and miraculously turn the future, or should I say, look around for the club? It would be an interesting one. From my perspective, that's difficult. And let me tell you why. Because there's so much games that's going to play in the Premier League, and the top teams kind of separate themselves away from the the others, the lower tier team. That's also the nature of sports is. But apparently, as it stands, seems like a big club is going down this season. That's how it look. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Just wanted to drop these two news. I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. Right? God bless. Boom. I mean, I may not do nothing for the championship yet, but you guys will get that soon. We're out.